More experts, more services, and renewed health. This morning, we are so happy to welcome back to the show Apothicare 360. Dr. Stan Headley is back to help remind everybody why they are more than just a pharmacy. Good morning.
Good morning, Carly. Thank you for having us back.
That's so true. Yeah, so happy to have you back. And how do you describe yourself as more than just a pharmacy?
Well,
why do you say that?
Definitely Apothicare 360 is different. It's a new concept here in Southwest Florida, and we do have an integrative pharmacy. And what that means to our viewers is that, you know, we have regular pharmacy with regular prescriptions, but we also have the compounded prescriptions for humans and for pets. So don't forget your family animals. Natural medicine, we have a wellness clinic with a critical care nurse, and then vitamin IV infusion cocktails.
All right, and again, that's still just kind of scratching the surface. I love how passionate your team is about educating. This morning, we're going to talk about vitamins and supplements. And the last time you were here, we really kind of delved into the natural medicine part. How does that factor in the vitamins and the supplements into a more natural approach?
Sure. Well, it's very critical. The clinical studies clearly bear out now that whether it's cardiac disease or diabetes or arthritis, even cancer, that natural medicines, vitamin supplementation is critically important for your health. In fact, 90% of all adults are nutritionally deficient, and that's a pretty shocking number, but it's a real number. And so we have ways of getting to the root cause by doing some specialty testing to determine exactly what your nutritional deficiencies are.
Well, and I think that's a big key of it, of being able to go to experts and maybe finding out, and then you can kind of navigate people, because you don't want just people going to the counters. I mean, it can be kind of overwhelming to figure out what's out there and what you need to be taking. How do you know where to start? That's where your team comes in.
This is a common comment that we hear from folks as they come in, is that they go to the health food stores and it's overwhelming. They really don't know where to start. They've read or heard that this vitamin supplement is good, so they grab it. But what I find when I get to doing the testing, specialty lab tests that we do at Apothicare 360, is that many of these people are shocked to find out that they are deficient in some of the nutrients they're actually taking. So quality is very, very important.
And it's a simple blood test that you can take to help find out some of these answers?
Yes, absolutely. It takes about 10 minutes. A specialty lab test that we call a micronutrient test.
Do you get the results that fast too?
It takes about 10 days to 2 weeks to get the results back, and then we do a consultation to interpret your results. But very important along those lines is the quality of supplements. Vitamins are not the same. They should be pharmaceutical grade or standardized or what we call certified laboratory tested. And that way the consumer can be sure that they're getting a pure, potent product that's safe and effective.
Well, and what's so great about Apothicare 360 is you can walk in and you can go and talk to somebody, right? I mean, if you're feeling overwhelmed, don't know where to start, ask. You encourage this. You really enjoy educating the public.
Exactly. We thrive on customer service and you know, certainly want everyone to feel welcome and not like a number. And so that's the environment we have created there, and we keep expanding and growing, and we're grateful for that. So we thank everyone and clearly invite you to come in because we have a very, very special place.
Well, and as we close here, one of the other highlights is I know you like to make this affordable for people, which is very important.
Sure.
And you have a great offer this morning on some of these products as well that you wanted to extend. So go ahead and make that offer,
Yeah,
Dr.
absolutely. Anyone who comes in and tells us that they've seen our program here on the Fox 4 Morning Blend will receive 20% off of their vitamin or supplement first purchase there at Apothicare 360.
Thank you so much for doing that. That's awesome. Dr. Stan, thank you so much for being here. I love kind of reminding people that you guys are out here and all the services you provide. So we look forward to having you back.
Thank you so much. It's our pleasure.
Yep, and of course,